Toronto is the largest city in Canada, located in Ontario along the shore of Lake Ontario. This vibrant city is famous for its multicultural neighborhoods, impressive skyline, and rich history. Visitors are attracted by Toronto's exciting mix of cultures, international cuisine, and lively arts scene. With natural attractions nearby, as well as a variety of museums, theaters, and shopping areas, Toronto offers something for every traveler. Our first stop is the CN Tower. For over 3 decades, it was the tallest freestanding structure in the world. You can take a high-speed elevator to the top for a breathtaking 360-degree view of the city and Lake Ontario. If you're feeling brave, you can even try the famous Edge Walk, where you walk on a ledge outside the main pod. Toronto is a city of culture and history. A must-visit is the Royal Ontario Museum, often called the ROM. It's home to millions of art pieces, natural history artifacts, and historical treasures. If you prefer art, the Art Gallery of Ontario, AGO, has an incredible collection of Canadian and international art, all housed in a stunning building. But did you know there's a real castle in the middle of Toronto? This is Casa Loma. Built in the early 20th century, this majestic Gothic revival castle was the dream home of a wealthy Canadian financier. Today, it's a museum. You can step back in time and explore its decorated suites, secret passages, and an 800-foot tunnel. Don't forget to climb the towers for another unique view of the city and wander through its beautiful, immaculate gardens. It's a true fairy tale experience. The heart of the city is Yonge Dundas Square, often called Toronto's Times Square. It's always buzzing with people, big screens, and events. From there, you can explore the city's unique neighborhoods. A personal favorite is the Distillery District, a pedestrian-only area with Victorian industrial architecture. It was once a large whiskey distillery, and now it's a hub for art galleries, artisan shops, and trendy restaurants. Even in a big city, you can find quiet green spaces. High Park is a huge park that feels like a natural forest. You can hike on the trails, relax by Grenadier Pond, or visit the small zoo. Every spring, it becomes a famous spot for its beautiful cherry blossoms. For the best view of the Toronto skyline, you have to visit the Toronto Islands. Just a short ferry ride from the city, they offer a peaceful escape with beaches, parks, and picnic spots. You can rent a bike, a kayak, or just enjoy the stunning panoramic view of the city across the water. While you're in Toronto, one of the world's greatest natural wonders is just a short trip away, the mighty Niagara Falls. It's an easy day trip by bus, train, or car. You can stand at the edge and feel the powerful roar of the water, or take a boat tour like the Hornblower to get right up close and feel the mist on your face. The sheer scale and beauty of the falls are breathtaking. It's an absolutely unmissable experience when you visit this part of Canada. Now, let's talk about food. Toronto's food scene is as diverse as its people. You have to try poutine, a classic Canadian dish of French fries topped with cheese curds and hot gravy. For a true local experience, head to the St. Lawrence Market. It was named the best food market in the world by National Geographic. Here, you must try the famous pea meal bacon sandwich from Carousel Bakery. It's a Toronto tradition. Toronto's multiculturalism means you can find authentic food from all over the world. Explore the flavors of Chinatown, enjoy the lively atmosphere of Little Italy, or discover delicious dishes in Koreatown. It's a true culinary adventure. Toronto is a city that never stops surprising you. It combines a buzzing downtown core with a relaxed, friendly atmosphere. Whether you love history, nature, or food, you'll find something special here. When the sun goes down, Toronto's stages light up. The city has a world-class theater scene, often called Broadway North. In the entertainment district, you can find spectacular musicals and plays in historic venues like the Royal Alexandra Theatre. And every September, the city rolls out the red carpet for the Toronto International Film Festival, TIFF, one of the most important film festivals in the world. Beyond theater and film, Toronto has legendary live music venues, from large arenas to intimate clubs, offering something for every taste. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Toronto and experience this amazing city for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.